Let's learn how to block a YouTube channel. If you want to block a channel but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app. When you open it, make sure you are logged into the right account from which you want to block the channel. Once YouTube is open, find a video from the channel on the home page. I'll use this channel as an example. When you find the video, click on the three dots next to it. After clicking, a menu with several options will open. In that menu, you need to click on the Not Interested option. After you click this, you'll remove that video, and YouTube will no longer recommend videos from that channel. You can also click on the three dots again, and when the menu opens, click on the Don't Recommend This Channel option. Once you click this, YouTube will no longer show that channel on your home screen. However, you should know that this doesn't completely block the channel. The channel can still appear in your searches. But there are more options. You can click on the profile picture of that account, and it will open the page of that channel. When the channel opens, click on the three dots in the top right corner. A menu will appear where you can click on Hide User from My Channel. When you click this, that channel won't be able to comment on your videos. If it's a kids channel, you'll have the option Block Channel for Kids on the same menu. By clicking this, you'll block videos from that channel. However, you should know that YouTube differs from other social media, because YouTube doesn't have an option to totally block someone's channel like other social networks do. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.